Are you interested in investing in gold? Or do you just want to learn about its history and how to trade it? Stick around. In this video, we're digging into gold investments and how you can make it work for you. Why do people care about gold? What makes it so special that it's been treasured for thousands of years? Well, it's simple. Gold is rare, doesn't rust or break down, and has a beautiful shine that's hard to fake. But beyond looks, gold is a symbol of wealth, trust, and stability. Think about it. Whenever markets panic or governments print more money, people run to gold as a safe place to park their wealth. It's like the financial world's ultimate security blanket. Why gold is relevant today? So why does gold still matter now? After all, we live in a digital world full of cryptocurrencies, stocks, and bonds. First, gold is a hedge against inflation. When prices rise and traditional currencies lose value, gold often holds steady or even gains. Second, gold doesn't depend on any government or company's success. It's truly global and timeless. Third, it offers diversification. Adding gold to your portfolio can help balance risk when stocks or bonds take a hit. And finally, gold is still seen as a safe haven during times of crisis or geopolitical tension, a financial lifeboat when waves get rough. Think of gold as the friend who never cancels plans, reliable, steady, and always there when you need it. How to invest in gold. Now, let's talk about how you can actually invest in gold today. There are a few main ways, each with its own pros and cons. Physical gold, bars, coins, or jewelry. This is the classic way to own gold, but it comes with storage and security challenges. Plus, buying and selling can be less convenient. Gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These let you invest in gold without holding it physically. They track the price of gold and are easy to buy or sell on the financial markets. Gold mining stocks. Investing in companies that mine gold. These stocks give you exposure to gold because when gold prices go up, these companies often earn more profit and their stock prices can rise too. But remember, you're also betting on how well the company is managed, so it's a bit riskier. Digital gold. Newer platforms let you buy small amounts of gold online, sometimes with insured storage, combining convenience and ownership. And finally, leveraged financial instruments. If you're more advanced, you can also get exposure to gold through futures, options, and other derivatives. These can offer more flexibility, but come with higher risk and complexity, so they're usually better for experienced traders and investors. It's like choosing between carrying the gold bar in your backpack or just having it tracked on your phone. Both have perks, just depends on your style. Risks and myths about investing in gold. Before you dive in, let's clear up some common myths and risks about gold investing. Myth number 1, gold always goes up. Nope. Gold prices can be volatile and sometimes drop. It's not a guaranteed profit. Myth number 2, gold pays dividends or interest. Nope again. Gold doesn't produce income like stocks or bonds. You make money only if the price rises. Risk number 1, storage and security for physical gold can be costly or complicated. Risk number 2, gold mining stocks carry company-specific risks like management issues, lawsuits, or operational problems. Risk number 3, digital gold platforms depend on the provider's security and trustworthiness. Make sure you pick reputable ones. The bottom line on gold investing. So, what's the bottom line? Gold isn't a magic bullet, but it's a timeless tool for protecting and diversifying your investments. It's great for hedging against inflation, adding stability to your portfolio, and offering peace of mind when the markets get shaky. Just remember, like any investment, it comes with risks, and no one should put all their eggs in one basket. If you're thinking of investing in gold, choose the method that fits your style and comfort level, whether that's physical gold, ETFs, mining stocks, or digital platforms. And always do your homework before jumping in. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more fun investing videos. Catch you in the next one.